What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we got a crazy week ahead, but if you're ready to make some money this upcoming week, let me know down in the comments below. Listen, guys, I got a jam-packed video for you all to get your week started off on the right foot. Please keep it locked. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, class is in session. I'm back in my bag, and I'm back on a 15-minute time frame. And we got Apple pulled up here. I want to take your eyes to yesterday's homework assignment over the weekend, guys. We talked about identifying resistance, which was at 173. Okay. And then we talked about support, which was down here, okay, at around 168. Okay, now check this out. It's important to know the range in which you're playing in, all right? And that's the range. 173 to 178 is what you guys want to be looking for. But also, pattern recognition is key. Let's go ahead and identify some things that I want you guys to take advantage of and be mindful of, okay? We had a break down here. This was a gap down. That's a gap. You see this big space to there? That's a gap, okay? Then it stayed below the 13. It rode that this whole entire time, only breaching the 48 for the first time there. Then we pulled back, okay? Support, okay? And then, guys, look at this powerful move, powerful move. Then we got to resistance, okay? And then we got rejected, okay? And that rejection brought us down here. Now, pattern recognition should lead you guys to see that what might be at play, okay? We won't know, but you want to always have a game plan in place. This is what I don't make $10,000 a day for no reason, guys. You want to have a game plan in place. Look at this, guys. You see this come up here and come down there. This looks very similar here and come down here. Guys, do not rule out a move to the upside from here, getting above 173, turning resistance into support, okay? And then us pulling back and then going higher, okay? Target will be 175 if we able to pull this off to 177, okay? This will be making a higher low, okay, if that was to be the case. And that will be something ideal, okay? Now, on the flip side, guys, this could very well be something that all of this gets canceled out. And if we gap down below this level, so if we gap down here, okay, boom, we may be off into the races for a deeper move to the downside, okay? That's also a possibility too. So I just want you to be aware to the downside. But our target is 175 to 177 if, okay, if we can get above resistance at 173.90. Okay, so that's your key level we got to get past, okay? Listen, guys, that was a lesson that I want you guys to watch 2 or 3 times if you need to. Pattern recognition, identifying support, identifying resistance, as well as possible outcomes that could happen both to the upside and to the downside. You can't never know what's going to happen in this game, and so you don't guess, you don't gamble, you react, okay? So anything can happen. That is why we have a if this, then that scenario. On a bullish outcome, maybe over the next 1 to 2 weeks, this is what I'm hoping to see play out, okay? It might take more time than that. It might take less time than that. We shall see as a family soon enough, okay? With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into some of the opportunities for this upcoming week. Okay, guys, check it out. NVDA, ticker symbol NVDA. sitting at $8.52 at the time of this recording. They fell $51 on the day alone, or 5.5%. Okay, and after hours they fell another 2.5%+ for another $23, sitting down here, as I just stated, to at $8.52. Okay, now listen to this. For those of you that miss the run up, these are the type of pullbacks that we talk about when we say be patient. Stocks will pull back. This has pulled back over $75. This was, look at this. This was at $9.72. Now it's at $8.52. That's over $120 drop. This is what we're talking about when we say learn to be patient, guys. Quit chasing, quit rushing in blindly. These are the type of pullbacks we're talking about when we say wait for a pullback. It will happen. Matter of fact, I want you to put this number on your radar: 800 and 770. Those are even better entries if you want to get in this en route to $1,000 or en route to 900 and back to that 990 level and eventually to that $1,000 level. Okay, these are the kind of things you want to do in terms of how you go about getting to quality companies that you might have missed a run up on, or that you might have sold and took profits, but now you're looking for an opportunity to get back in. These are the things I want you guys to consider on these type of pullbacks. Okay, so Monday morning, if this gaps down even further or sells off even further, I want you to get excited about buying shares. Don't try to buy options on this. The IV is way too crazy right now. You can't make any money buying options on this. However, with the shares, with the investment portion of this, I'm talking about I'm buying shares so that this can run from 700 to 1,000. That's what you can do with this huge opportunity that you guys were given on Friday with this massive sell-off. Does this mark the start of more selling? Possibly. At least maybe in semiconductor plays. Okay, so understand other sectors still might be going up or going sideways. This might be cooling off a tad bit. Again, don't guess, don't gamble, react to what you see. We'll see soon enough. The market will be open tomorrow. Okay, and then the next one, guys, on my list is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, sitting at 174.96. This too was up here at 182.5 in pre-market. It fell all the way down to 175, and we're a little below that right now. If this loses or goes down past 170 support, okay, again, it's going to fall even further. But that's the type of move. Let's look at this. That's the type of move. That's down 13%. We like to look at 20% as a correction, okay? And so this is down 27% year to date, or over the last 3 months. So it's already in a buy zone, if you will, because we like to buy when stocks that we know, like, and love, want to hold long term, see potential in, has a good business. Okay, when they're down 20%, that's a cue. Not that they can't go down further, but 20% is that magical number, if you will, guys, where you want to start dollar cost averaging. So at these levels, you want to say, which levels at these levels do I want to go bigger in? So for me, I've been buying at 180. So I might buy 10 shares or 20 shares at 180. Okay. In the 170s, I might buy 20 to 25 shares. In the 160s, I keep telling you guys, I'm backing up the Brinks truck. But you see how we're doing the work every step of the way. Every level it go lower, you're buying more. So you always bring your average cost down while accumulating more shares. Because why? It's going to easily pop back to 200, 220, 250, 280, and then 300. Okay, it's just the name of the game and how it goes. You can't time it, so you have to do the work. So when it does take off, you reap the benefits. Okay, guys, this will also be a huge opportunity for you guys alongside NVDA when, again, you put in the work and invest and buy low. Okay, so price targets to get these at, write this down for NVIDIA, $750. Okay, $750 is a great level to consider getting in at. If it went down even lower, that's icing on the cake. For Tesla, 170 or below. Okay, 167 is what I'm looking at. 163, 155, stuff like that. That will get my undivided attention. Okay, again, guys, dollar cost average these things. Have a long-term outlook, 1 to 3 years. Not that everything takes that long, but you want to go into the game with that type of time horizon for these plays to do what they're ultimately going to do. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stuff using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.